with Mommy. Baby angel blanket.
These are some of the things we're going to need. First, we are going to cut our hot dogs in halves. Kiddos, remember to always ask grown-ups for help when using sharp utensils. Just to be safe, we are going to use a plastic and a butter knife to cut our hot dogs. Next, let's get our dough ready. Shape and flatten your pre-made crescent rolls into small circles. Place the hot dog in the middle and gently roll the dough until it covers the hot dog. To save time, we are using a store-bought crescent roll dough. Next, we are going to grease our baking pan with some olive oil. You can also use butter or other types of cooking oil that you have around the house. Place your little piggies in your baking pan . And get your egg wash ready. The egg wash will make your piggies look glossy after they come out of the oven. Using a pastry brush, put the egg wash into your little piggies. Sprinkle some shredded cheese on top of your piggies. In this video, we are using Colby Jack, but you can also use any other type of cheese that you like. Sprinkle some fresh parsley on top of your piggies. Looks like our piggies are ready for the oven. Bake the piggies in 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. And our piggies are ready! They might not look perfect, but that's okay. We had a lot of fun making it. We'll see how our picky eater likes the taste. Looks like Anna approves! Yay! Mission accomplished!
Put in your blanket.
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!